Hello, in this video we look at the class enrollment page in Immerse2learn. The class enrollment page is where instructors can check student expiration dates, modify student enrollment status and final exam eligibility, and remove students from a class. If you are an Immerse2learn system owner, you can edit expiration dates. To access the class enrollment page, go to Immerse2learn homepage and click the class enrollment icon under Actions. Here we have the class enrollment page. From left to right, you can click the user's profile, click the assessment report icon to view the user's gradebook, click the number in the log column to view the user's access report, click the user's name to view their progress report. For more information about user profiles, gradebooks, access reports, and progress reports, please see the Immerse2learn help video on reports. Across the top of the class enrollment page, use the letters to filter the user list by the first letter of the user's last name. System owners may use the Add Student button at the top right of the page to enroll additional users. Use the Update button to save changes to the class enrollment page. The Up icon will navigate to the class manager. Middle columns from left to right. The username column displays the username the student logs in with. The enroll date column specifies the date in which the user was enrolled into the class. The days column specifies the number of days the user has been enrolled. The enroll expire column displays the date which the user's enrollment in the class will expire. Note, system owners may use the calendar icon to select or change the student's expiration date. After making a change to the expiration date, click the Update icon to save the changes. The Expires In column displays the number of days until the user's enrollment expires. The Enrollment Status column includes radio buttons for making a user's enrollment active or inactive. If a user's status is inactive, the user will see the class on their home page, but they will not be able to view any of the courses. If changes are made to the enrollment status, click the Update button to save the changes. The default enrollment status is determined in the class editor. See the help video on the class editor for more information. The Eligible for Final column allows for the final exam to be turned on or off for each individual user. If changes are made in this column, click the Update button to save your changes. The default status of the final is determined in the class editor. See the help video on the class editor for more information. The Remove column allows for users to be removed from the class. If a user is removed from the class, they will no longer have access to the class. If removed, users and their records can easily be restored by enrolling them again into the class. This concludes the video on the class enrollment page. For Immerse2learn support, contact support@immerse2learn.com.